Good morning, student. I am Dr. Shaila Bhagwan Sarang, Associate Professor, Government College of Education, Nanded. Now, today we are going to see the MCQ of Pedagogy of School Subject, English Method, Part 3. Please like, comments, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Now, to start, question number 1. We said knowledge of English language is necessary for imbibing ideas of liberty and developing accuracy of thought. Now options are A. Swami Vivekananda, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. Pandit Nehru, D. Ramananda Tirtha. Now answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Now next question. Who said English is a major window to the modern world? Now options are A. Pandit Nehru, B. Professor Gary, C. Ravindranath Tagore, D. Rajiv Gandhi. Now answer is Pandit Nehru. Now next question. The study of words and their meanings is known as option A. Semantics, B. Linguistics, C. Phonetics, D. Syntax. Now answer is semantics. Now next question. Dash dash are aspect of English language. A. Phonetics, B. Semantics, C. Graphic, D. All of the above. These are the aspects of English language. Hence answer is all of the above: phonetics, semantics and graphics. Now next question. Which of the following is not importance of international English language? Now options are A. It helps in international trade and industry. Discriminates between people. C. It helps in bringing people of different nations in closer contacts. D. A person knowing English gets opportunity of employment almost in every country. Now answer is not importance. Now look at this. The question given is not importance of international English language. Then answer is discriminates between people. Now next question. Listening, speaking, reading and writings are. Options are A. Basic aims of teaching English, B. Basic structure of English, C. Basic norms of English, D. Basic characteristics of English. Now it is basic aims of teaching English. Listening, speaking and reading and writing are the basic aims of teaching English. Now next question. Recognizes, recalls and discriminates. These are the specification of comprehension, application, knowledge and skill. Now these are the specifications of knowledge. Recognition, recall and discriminates. Recognition, recalls and discriminates. These are the specifications of knowledge. Now next question. Planning should consider the objectives as listening, speaking, B. Speaking, reading, writing, C. Listening, reading, writing, D. Listening, speaking, reading, writing. Planning should consider all the objectives. Which of them? Listening, speaking, reading and writing. Now next question. Unit plan depends on psychological principle. Which psychological principle? Option A. Learning by whole, B. Learning by part, C. Learning by known, D. Learning by specification. Now answer is learning by whole. Unit plan is depends on learning by whole to part. Now Next question. Reminds the teacher to arrange tests on the topic taught in a week or a month. Option A, annual plan. B, unit plan. C, lesson plan. D, none of these. Now answer is annual plan. Annual plan reminds the teacher to arrange test on the topic taught in a week or a month. Now next question. Dash dash is an essential activity which aims to make teaching process more effective and attaining an object. Now options are lesson plan, B, teaching point, C, teaching aid, D, teaching steps. Now answer is lesson plan. Lesson plan is an essential activity which aims to make teaching process more effective and attaining an object. Now next question. Which of the following is not advantage of lesson plan? Option A, to use teaching techniques and methods properly. Hearing experience can be given to the students. C, students' participation is poor. D, teaching and learning can be more effective. Now answer is student participation is poor. Now next questions. Is a method of language learning teaching that combines various approaches and methodologies. Which approach? In which approach is a method of language learning or teaching that combines various approaches and methodologies? A, eclectic approach. B, structural approach. C, communicative approach. D, situational approach. Now answer is eclectic approach. Now next question. Which of the following is related to Dr. M.F. West method? Options are A, students become string in speaking English fluently. B, students become weak in speaking English fluently. C, very small time is spent on reading. D, it gives importance speaking and writing. Now answer is students become weak in speaking English fluently. Now next question. Advantages of eclectic method. The teacher is more flexibility. B, no aspect of language skill is ignored. No aspect of language skill is ignored. C, classroom atmosphere is dynamic. D, all of the above. Now answer is all of the above. Now next question. Which of the following is not maxim of teaching? A, from concrete to abstract. B, from whole to part. C, from known to unknown. D, from complex to easy. Now concrete to abstract, whole to part, known to unknown. These are the maxims of teaching. Now the answer is from complex to easy is not the maxim of teaching. Now next question. Asking introductory questions in the class is based on the dash dash maxims of teaching. A, from particular to general. From known to unknown. C, from seen to unseen. D, from indefinite to definite. Now answer is from known to unknown. In lesson plan, the first step, introduction. In introduction step, we ask questions to students from previous knowledge. Now the maxim is from known to unknown. Which of the following is not characteristics of English teacher? A, good communicator. B, time management. C, irregular. D, a good sense of humor. Now good communicator is a characteristics of English teacher. The time management, it is very important for any teacher. Now he is English teacher. Now good sense of humor is very important for every teacher, also language teacher. Now good communicator, time management and good sense of humor, these are the characteristics of English teacher. Now irregular is not the characteristics of any subject teacher. Now answer is irregular. Thank you, my dear students. Please like, subscribe, comments and share my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.